Guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you're seeing my face for the very first time, you are highly welcome to this channel. Alright, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a remedy that will remove or wash down all of those fat, remove belly fat, and give you a very healthy body, a very nice physique, and a very light body. Okay, so this homemade remedy works so well, and it is very cheap, affordable, no chemical, and it is very healthy. So if you want to know what it does comprises, please do continue watching and let me walk you into the video. And don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share the video. And alright, let's go. So we're going to be needing cucumber. Now, cucumber contains antioxidants, it provides hydration, it aids in weight loss, and it lowers blood sugar level. It could promote irregularity. It is an easy remedy that helps you glow, and it flushes out toxins from the body. It is so great in removing belly fat. And then we're going to be needing lemon. Lemon helps in promoting hydrations. It's a good source of vitamin C. It supports weight loss. It promotes your skin quality. It also a great remedy that aids in digestion. It prevents kidney stones, and it also removes belly fat. So we're going to be needing parsley leaf. Now, parsley leaf helps in reducing cancer risk. Eating parsley leaf can reduce the risk of cancer such as breast, digestive tract, skin, and prostate. It also helps for inflammation. It fights disease, protects your blood circles. It promotes immune functions. Parsley helps to modulate the immune system. It's going to be helping you remove all belly fat. Then we're going to be needing honey. Honey is a good source of antioxidants. Raw honey contains an array of plant chemicals that act as an antioxidant. It heals wounds, it helps for digestive issues, it soothes a sore throat, and it's also a great powerhouse for reducing or removing fat from the body, because it is not added with artificial sugar. Alright, so I'm going to be sanitizing this by washing the cucumber. Also washing the lemon and rinsing out the dust and sand from the parsley. So what I'm going to do is to cut the cucumber. Alright, so I'm going to be putting the cucumber into a blender, and then I would have to be putting in the parsley leaf. Now for this parsley leaf, guys, you don't need too much of parsley leaf. A little bit of it is okay. Okay, too much of everything is not good, so just a little, it's perfect. So I'm going to be cutting the lemon, and then I will have to squeeze in the lemon juice into this. Alright guys, so this is our local lemon. It's usually green, okay? So you don't be like, is that lemon or lime? It is lemon. So now we would have to be putting in 1 glass of water. Then I would have to go blend it. So we're gonna be needing a glass, and then the juice is ready. And this is how it looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna be pouring that into this glass, and then 1 tablespoon of honey is perfect for this. And this is actually completely optional, putting honey in this. Now if you actually do not want to drink it with all of the fiber, because some people actually do not like drinking it with all of the fiber, you can still sieve it out. Okay, so I'm going to be sieving this out. Okay, so I'm going to be pouring that into the sieve, and then we're going to try to sieve this out. This is actually optional too. For the interest of the people who would not like the smell of the parsley, you can just sieve this out and you'll be having just the juice. Okay. Okay guys, so this is it, and this is how it looks like. It's now just juice. Okay, and this is actually very better in case you don't like the smell of the parsley. It's actually very better that way. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is to add a spoon of honey to this. And then you have to stir it. Okay, the honey also is completely optional. Okay, you can decide to add it or you can just leave it, and then you drink the tea this way. Okay, let me have a take and tell you how it does taste. Okay guys, so it does not taste really bad, but of course personally I do not like the smell of the parsley. But of course this is something you can actually take at most 5 times in a week, and then you have to do away with some, you know, fatty food, and definitely do away with junk food, and then you eat at a meal, and then you drink a lot of water and take this for 2 weeks. Let me know how it is, because I'm very sure it's going to be very helpful. Okay. Okay guys, so that's it. That is it. Okay, so cucumber and parsley leaf, and alongside with all of this natural homemade remedy, works so well, and you are gonna be loving it guys. Like, you are gonna be loving it. Okay, so don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video, and I will see you again. Bye guys.